Hello Duel Masters fans. So today I received the DM-06 Duel Masters box called Stone Patrons of Invincible Wrath. This set has 120 cards, from which 10 are super rare cards and 10 are very rare cards. Now, it's the first booster box I ever got. It had the original Wizards of the Coast wrapping, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. These are in German, as you can see. Some German thing, more German, and my hope is that I will get Bolmetius, Steel Dragon, Daedalus, and Crazy Valkyrie. But first Bolmetius, then Daedalus, and in the end Crazy Valkyrie. Of course, for the very rares I don't have anything particular in my mind, and for the rares probably Ricaboose, Screwdriver, probably I really don't know. Alright, so this is the content. 20 freaking 4 booster packs. They seem a little bit like seems like the shipment was pretty problematic for them. Like the box seems a little bit damaged in the corners, but hopefully the cards are okay. Normally it should be. And yeah, we have 24. Let me just put them all out. And let's see how well we do. I just hope I won't get a super rare card that's not Daedalus or Bolmetius twice, like Cliff Giant, for example, because that would really suck. Also, Ultra Mantis, it's a card that I would like to have. So enough with the chit chat. We should go. 240 cards. Let's see how well we can do. The unwrapping is quite difficult, so I should bring a scissor. Carefully cutting. Shit, I need to cut some more. Well, how would it be to cut the fucking Bolmetius? Alrighty. So, we have Flame Des, I don't know German. We have Ballas. I'll put the rares, very rares and super rares separately. Zepitemeus. The focusing, it's just freaking annoying. Okay. I don't know the name of all the cards. So yeah, I think this is Neon Cluster. We have the first rare. Forgot its name in English, but yeah. Alrighty, and the puzzle card for whoever is interested. So, moving to our next one. Again, I have to be very careful while cutting. Hopefully this did the trick. Yeah. Hopefully I get Bolmetius or Daedalus. We have Zorvas. I personally like that card. It's like a blocker, he can't attack. If he wins a battle, you have to destroy it. But 8000 power with 5 mana. Gee, I'll take it. Pangea's Will. Oh, of course, Cliffrush Giant. My freaking surprise. Well, this is the super rare card that I didn't want, but I got. So basically, this dude costs 5, has 7000 power, double breaker, and he cannot attack unless I have tapped creatures. So if I have one untapped creature, I cannot attack. I think this is what Cliffrush does. And we end with Cosmogol, which is our rare. Okay, second pack, a holo, which is nice, but not the holo that I wanted. It's one of the holos that I didn't want. Anyhow, I still haven't lost my hope, since, you know, 24 packs I should get between 8 and 12 holos. So I'm assuming 4 super rares and 4 very rares, at least. Okay. Flamethrower. You look. The Oracle. Proclamation of Death. Pretty nice card. Migasa. Another rare. We have Aeropica. Freaking amazing. Not the card that I wanted, but it's a holo. So I'll take it. And for the rare, we have a Survivor. Da? Facciamo prezentare?
Bă, deci chiar nu știam cu cine vorbești.
Nu-i problemă. Opening our fourth Duel Masters DM-06 booster box. What card will it have? Energy Stream, draw 2 cards, or draw 1 card, 2 cards. And for a rare, we have Bazagazil Dragon. Okay, we have 4 boosters opened, from which we got 1 super rare and 1 very rare. Of course, I don't expect the ratio to be 50% of the holos, but I do expect to get at least 1 super rare that I desire. So I think that's Dimension Gate. Choya. Pretty good card. I forgot its name. And we have Invincible Aura. The second very rare card. And ending with a Survivor. Grey Worm Q, I think. Which is our rare. Moving next with the 6th pack. Let's see what this pack reserves us. We have you look. Mighty Bender, Griming Axe, Slayer, Vest, the Oracle, pretty nice card. Same as Laura Giga. And our rare with this King Triumph. So 6 boosters opened, 3 holos, keeping the 50% ratio. Would be really nice to pull a freaking Ball Medias. How would that be, guys? How would that be? Of course I forgot. No, I didn't forget to put the rare aside. We have Sopian, Gleaming Axe. I forgot its name. Balas, Vizier of Bullets. Illusionary Berry, I think. Davatori. Proclamation of Death. Let's see if we have a holo. Nope. And we end with Bone of Spears, or I forgot its name. Anyway. We have destroyed our 50% ratio. We have 7 packs opened, only 3 holos. Hopefully the 8th will balance it again to make it 50%. One can only dream. Right. Let's see. Mighty Bandit. Energy Stream. Gleaming Axe. Forgot its name. Vest, the Oracle. Migasa. Pangea's Wheel. Forgot its name. Let's see now. We have Invincible Technology. So we have 2 of the Invincibles and we end up with, yes, Ricaboo's Screwdriver. This is the card, the rare that I wanted. I got it. Ah, forgot to show you the puzzle cards. So we managed to balance the holo cards ratio of 50%. 8 packs. We do have 8 packs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. But I'm getting a little bit concerned with the super rares. If only one can only dream. Let's see if we get a good surprise now. Aqua Rider. Also, I think Aqua Surface DM5 or DM6. Not quite sure, I think it's DM5. Alright. No holo on this one. And our rare is, I don't know what, fish. Fish and chips. Okay. Also, I have a very odd guess that I would also get Shuka, which I personally don't want. Probably I'm too ambitious. I want only a couple of cards from a 120 card set. Also, I want that Survivor, Q-Tronic, I don't know what, which is a Fire Evolution Survivor. That'd be nice. Okay. Let's see. This one, let's see if it's a holo. Oh, of course, Crystal Juicer. It's the second super rare. It's the second one that I didn't want. But We got it. And we end with Frost Spectre, Shadow of something. Yeah. I cannot say too happy. We still keep our 50% ratio, so we still have chances, but yeah. Not sure what to say about that. Zorvas, Picora, Canesil, Dimension, Gate, Madrilonfish, Adomis, Cocolupia, Schlech, and we end with Narvash. So, moving next, we should get a holo to get our 50% ratio, and we are at almost half of the boosters. Oh man. How would it be? How would it be? Bolmetius, Crazy Valkyrie, Daedalus now. But first I want Bolmetius. Since I only have a different artwork with grey border, which bothers me. So yeah, I've been playing Duel Masters since 2005. In Romania, the cards were never original and no holo. In Romania, the cards were never original, so we had fake ones. We could get like every card from DM1 to DM9, I think. Fake, I don't know about DM10 or DM12. And I'm talking about the ones that are the closest to the original ones. Of course, you would get super rares that were not holo, and you would get cards that weren't very rare and super rare and were holo. Stuff like that. And yeah, I played a lot when I was a little boy. Then I started collecting. I finished my collection from DM1 to DM12, but of course some cards like Bolmetius, I have a different Japanese artwork, so not the original. Gigagriff. Come on, is this the one? Is this the one? Bolmetius, show yourself. Fuck, Tank Mutant. Fuck. It ain't going alright, and we have the rare, forgot its name. How many packs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so we are past 50% of the booster packs. All I want is one card, one dream, one card, please. Just please. It's time to get home. Shit. Fairy Life. Steam Star. I don't know what worm. Okay, please. Nope. They said nope. I have the rare. Okay. Now, this is the Bolmetius pack. So, this is the Bolmetius pack. Should have the Bolmetius, by my logic. Now it's time for the Bolmetius to rise up right here, right now. Okay guys, I already know this is Bolmetius. You don't have to tell me. Yes. Okay, so our ratio is not 50% anymore. Like, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 booster box, from which I still hope to get 2 super rares and like 1 very rare. Let's see if the ratio balances a little in our favor, because lately, like last 3 packs, no holo. And yeah, Choya, Fairy Life, so what do you like most about Duel Masters? Do you like more the Japanese cards? No holo right now. Do you like more the Japanese cards? Do you like the new artwork of the Japanese cards? Do you like the old school artwork like this one? If you have anything to say, just drop a comment, let me know. If you have questions, drop a comment, let me know. Okay, we are not starting to do so good with the holos, so this one should have a holo. A little bit mandatory-ish. Otherwise I'll be starting to be a little bit more concerned. The family of the invincible stuff. We have 3 of them now. And we end up with 4 boss. Okay, so we got 5 very rares and only 2 super rares. One can only hope. One can only hope. Sopian. Okay. Please impress me, please. Oh my god. And we have Kyuroro. Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I'm concerned of the super rares at least. I would still think I need two super rare cards, so are the best kept for the last booster packs. Grimming Axe. These are a little bit bent. And no card again. No holo. Okay, last 5. I would at least hope for 2 super rares. Otherwise I would start to find it like a little bit unfair. Fairy Life. Tentacle Worm. Is it that how it's called? Tentacle Worm. Please. At least Crazy Valkyrie or Ultra Mantis. Another very rare. I don't even know its name. So yeah, we have 6 very rares and 2 super rares only. Come on, this is the Bolmetius pack. Please do have the Bolmetius inside, please. Okay, sorry for that. Alright. Okay. Maybe this one. Ah, Phantasma Horror Gigazord. No. That's not what I want. Only the super rares that I didn't want. Literally. At least I have 3 more packs. Seal. Dimension. Dalatory. Casa. Okay, 2 booster packs. I already have like 9 holo cards, so I'm assuming 1 more and that would be enough, but the chances of receiving the Bolmetius or Daedalus, I think they are very rare. Or super rare, just as the card is. Yeah, no holo here. Maybe the last one will reserve us something. If not, it was pretty fun, even though it doesn't look like I'm having fun. But yeah, my first booster box opening, can get mad. Nope. Nope. So, this was it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And drop a comment if you want. These are the super rares. Crystal Juicer, Phantasma Horror, and Cliff Rouge Giant. For the very rares, forgot its name. Tank Mutant. The Eternal Brothers, and Aeropica. Not great, not terrible. I would have expected at least 1 Daedalus or Bolmetius. So from Daedalus, Bolmetius, Crazy Valkyrie, and also like Ultra Sight. No, not Ultra Sight. Forgot its name. The nature card, the evolution, the giant insect one. Forgot its name totally. Yeah, from these 4 I would have expected at least 1. But okay, it was nice, and thanks for watching. See ya!